Woo! The lip, the front lip is on. Man, tell me what y'all think, man. Leave a comment. Make sure y'all hit that like button if y'all like this, man. And we're gonna be back. Another one.
I'm just ballin', flossing, rolling through my neighborhood, ballin', flossing, rolling through my neighborhood, ballin', flossing, rolling through my neighborhood.
What's the other joint? What was the other joint we're looking at?
Okay, my will presidential, 10 presidential, money presidential, bitches presidential, everything black, so you know I'm presidential.
He gonna hook up in the front center, and he gonna pull at an angle that way.
Riding through the hood with my top down. She know I like it better when my top down. Niggas hating on me cause I'm hot now. No surprise, I know why I'm getting money. Yeah. It's a lovely day, so I'ma ride the city. Cup full of something to slow down my senses. These designer shoes cost a nice penny. That's $750. We talk Pacifics, that Rolls Gold compliment.
Alright, today I'm tired as hell, but I'm about to get this lip put on. I'm putting this thing on right now. So when I got my car painted, I made sure that they fitted the lip and everything, and then put the mounting holes in there, so I don't gotta do nothing but bolt it up. So I'm about to get this thing bolted on right now, so y'all can see. Got my hand on the camera. Get this mount put up there. Ooh, sleepy as hell today. Try to see what's going on. Look at that grill, man. That grill looks so good. Y'all can see how I modified the grill to put the sensor mounts in there. It wasn't hard. I actually did it very quick. I actually want to do a better job of it. I'll fix it later or something. But regardless, I got it done for the purpose. Let's see, we're gonna fill up our star bits. No, there's a star bit. I put all these star bits out. And the nose, that's an 8mm. Yeah, so we need a 8 and a star. Like, close enough. One side bigger. T27. So T27 seems to be a common size when it comes to these star bits to use. Not the security bits, but T27 is what I use for my trunk. My trunk spoiler for the back, for the inside piece. No, let me get my spoiler out. 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the corner. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5th one back there to the corner. It's actually not even in there. I might lost one. So what the hell? Find a screw for that. Y'all remember, I took all this off already for the when I get the upper and lower pulleys. All of this had to come off. So I got the 8 mil corner. Yep, the corner. And you forgot to do that one on that side. So I gotta drill that one myself. Start popping these dates in for this whole splash this shit. I want to stop falling. So I put these holes all line up. Pretty damn good. Put another screw in over here. Get an idea. Look. I almost like I used to lose some longer screws. These might just be. Let me try like that. Yeah. So looks like the only screws that's the right size. I'm gonna want it to my 8 mil. So go ahead and tap one in on this side. Yeah. So I'm about to get some hardware. These screws, they can't go in. It to be a tad bit longer, so I'm gonna have to modify my screws and get some slightly long ones. So I'm gonna see what I got here, and if not, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I got the hardware. Got me some more bolts. Of course, they are not threaded on the top. They're just some generic metric M6. The M6 bolts. Yeah, M6 bolts, and now, so you can see, I'm up under here trying to get these holes right. So some of these holes were not drilled out correctly, so I'm gonna have to make some modifications, and that's what I'm working on right now. And I'm also filling in some extra hardware spots. I might be missing an extra bolt or two. Like, look over here. I don't even know what's right there. Nothing here, nothing here, nothing here. Here, hey, I got one hole lined up, two holes. So I gotta figure out where all of these holes were, because they go to this grid. Look, I can see right here the hole on the edge right there. So I gotta get all this lined up. And we're gonna get these screws, these holes screwed out for the ones I can, and the rest of them, F them. But I make sure I don't want to have any screws in between the lip and that, because I don't want no extra gapping from the head of the screws, which is pretty thick. Probably lose about, well, on these I probably lose about a 1/4 inch of height on my, and I need all the height I could have with this spoiler to get this look, but mainly to have the ground clearance. So I'll make sure I don't have as little as possible, because I want that lip to fit tight and seamless along the edge. All right, let me get these holes screwed out. And just like that, we got the front lip on. Look at this, man. That must fit so flush. It actually might be higher than I thought it was gonna be. By the time I screwed it, I realized how much that seam closed up. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna sit it on the ground, get this thing off these jack stands, and we're gonna take a measurement to see the height of this lip, cause this bad boy right here is sleek, and then I need to buff the whole card after that, but don't worry about that this episode. Ooh. The front lip is on. Man, tell me what y'all think, man. Leave a comment. Make sure y'all hit that like button if y'all like this, man. And we're gonna be back another one.